fired a real gun, because Lee Q's from Japan where you can't own real firearms, can he get onto a real firearm, a Glock 19 and my BCM, and slay drills having only done airsoft? And that's what we're going to find out today. And I think once he gets the recoil figured out, some of the trigger stuff figured out, he's going to blaze it down. So you guys want to see this? You ready? All right.
I'm ready.
Let's do this. So I'll go first. We will do 6 rounds into the top left circle.
2.10.
All right.
All right.
That's your turn. 6 rounds.